Alright, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage. This is a little quick video today. I just wanted to sort of let you guys know about it. Now, I'm going to switch to the front camera just to sort of show you what I'm talking about today. As you can see, this is my rear little compartment. As you can see, I've removed it. It's just like a little pin on the side here. And then you just sort of pull it out gently and it comes out. Now this is the actual original one out of my Monaro, and as you can see it's got these little clips. Now the front one's the same you would have seen in previous videos, like a couple of years ago now. This clip is actually in the front compartment there, behind the transmission, and there's one in there as well. Now these are prone to breaking. As you can see, this one is completely shot. Now today I went to the wreckers and I picked up a new one, and this is out of a VX, so it's only a few years younger than the one I've got. And as you can see, they changed to this clip mechanism instead. So, sorry as I try and get my hands in the right spot. As you can see, when you click it into place, it locks. And that's to replace the old movement, which was like clipped into this little clip like that, and then it would release it. Now, these, because they're just like a little piece of plastic, are going to always break. So, of course, they always are prone to breaking. I was hoping to find something like that, but this one actually fits perfectly in this compartment. So I'm about to put this in now, but I thought I'd share that with you guys. So if you're ever looking to replace these, you can buy these on eBay. I have before. But if you can get a hold on a VX Model 1 of these, the longevity is going to be well worth it. So thank you all so much for watching. I know this is a very short video, but I thought I'd just share that little thing. So if you've got a VT or an early model VX, have a look at sort of the later model versions of these. The clip is a lot easier to use. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, the Panda Garage for all your weekly news and stuff like that regarding the channel. There's always threads up there as well. Comment away, give the page a like. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Give a like and give us a subscribe as well. Let's get the Panda Garage gang up and about. So thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage, and I'll see you guys next time.